property of whole number. As you know that मैथ्स चैप्टर 2 होल नंबर जो हम कर रहे हैं, बराबर है. सो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ होल नंबर. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. फर्स्ट रूल इज फॉर एडिशन. इफ वी ऐड एनी टू होल नंबर्स द रिजल्ट इज ऑलवेज अ होल नंबर. सो फॉर एग्जांपल 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 1235 plus 25 is equal to 1260. You see that, you see here 10 and this 1260 both are a whole numbers. That is 3 is also whole number, 7 is also whole number. So result of this will be 10. That is also be a whole number. Same way this is also a whole number. 25 is also a whole number. So result will be a whole number. So property for addition is satisfied in this addition example. Now B, if we find the difference of any two whole numbers, difference यानी subtraction, the result is not always a whole number. Suppose हम दो होल नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते तो हमें रिजल्ट होल नंबर नहीं भी मिल सकता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 200 माइनस 150 इज इक्वल टू 50. 200 इज अ होल नंबर, 150 इज अ होल नंबर, 50 इज अ होल नंबर. सो हियर दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज सेटिस्फाइड. बट नाउ लुक हियर, 30 माइनस 70 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4. 30 is a whole number, 70 is a whole number, but the result will be minus 4, which is an integer. Which is an integer. It is not a whole number. So this result, the result is not always a whole number. ये whole number नहीं है, तो ये property यहाँ satisfied नहीं होती. This property is not satisfied here. Now if we multiply any two whole numbers, the result is also a whole number. If we multiply these two whole numbers, the result is also be a whole number. Look here, 125 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 11,000 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. We multiplied 0 with any number, always result will be 0. So here 125 is a whole number, 0 is a whole number, you know very well about it. So result will be 0. Here also result will be 0. So closure property is satisfied in the multiplication operation. Now for this, if we divide a whole number by any other whole number, the result is not always a whole number. For example, 20 divide 5, 20 upon 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, answer will be 4. But now look here, 5 divide 20, so 5 upon 20, 5 ones are 5 fours are, answer will be 1 upon 4, which is not a whole number, it is a fraction. So we can say that whole numbers are closed under एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओनली. एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ही ये दोनों प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइड होती है. यानी क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ही सेटिस्फाइड होती है. सो वी कैन से दैट होल नंबर्स आर क्लोज्ड अंडर एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओनली. नाउ सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. In commutative property, we can add two whole numbers in any order. The result remains the same. कोई भी ऑर्डर में हम नंबर को होल नंबर को ऐड करेंगे तो रिजल्ट ऑलवेज भी सेम. Look here, 19 plus 10 is equal to 29. Both are whole numbers. Result will be whole number. 10 plus 19 is equal to 29. यानी कि यहाँ पर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में 19 था, यहाँ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में 10 है. तो if we change the order, the result will be same. We cannot subtract two whole numbers in any order, but in subtraction this is not satisfied, means commutative property is not satisfied. कैसे देखो, example 18 minus 5 is equal to 30. If we change the order, that is the 5 minus 18 is equal to minus 30. Minus 30 is not a whole number, it is an integer. So this commutative property is not satisfied in subtraction. Now third, we can multiply two whole numbers in any order. Multiplication में कोई भी ऑर्डर में होल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते the property will be satisfied. Look here, 15 multiplied by 10 is equal to 150. If we change the order, that is a 10 multiplied by 50 is equal to 150. Means answer will be the whole number. So commutative property is satisfied in multiplication for whole numbers. We cannot divide two whole numbers in any order, but this property is not satisfied in division also. Look here. For example, 15 divided 5 is equal to 3. You know that 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. But 5 divided 50 means 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is not a whole number, it is a fraction. So 15 divided 5 is not equal to 5 divided 15 means this property, means commutative property, is not satisfied in division for whole number. So we can say that the whole numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication only. यहाँ ये दो ही में ये property satisfied होती है. Now third property is associative property. So first for addition. For addition, three whole numbers can be grouped in any numbers. Look here. 10 plus here three numbers are given. 10, 3 and 8. All are whole numbers. 10 plus 3 plus 8. Now again 10 plus 3 plus 8. But here 10 plus 3 is in group. Here 3 plus 8 is in group. So answer will be same. Look here. 10 plus 3 is equal to 21. Is equal to 21. So both answer will be same. So this property means what? Associative property for the whole number in addition is satisfied. Now for subtraction, three whole numbers cannot be regrouped in any manner. But ये property subtraction में satisfied नहीं होगी. Look here. For example, 5 minus 3 plus 5. 5, 3 and 5 are whole numbers. Same way 5 and 5 are whole number. But here 5 minus 3 is in group. Here 3 plus 5 is in group. So answer will be 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 plus 5 will be 7. Here 5, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. Here result will be difference. So 5 minus 3 plus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 3 plus 5. So associative property for subtraction is not satisfied in a whole number. Property for multiplication, three whole numbers can be grouped in any manner. For example, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Here 2 multiplied by 3 is in group. And here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Here 3 multiplied by 5 is in group. So 3 2s are 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30 because 6 5s are 30. Now here 2 multiplied by 15. So 15 2s are 30. So here this property is satisfied for the whole number. Now next is for division, three whole numbers cannot be grouped in any manner. But division में grouping satisfied होता नहीं है. Look here. Here three whole numbers 24, 2 and 3. 24, 2 and 3. Now we making group. First is 24 divide 2 divide 3. Here 24 and 2 is in group. Here 24 divide 2 divide 3 and here 2 divide 3 is in group. So look here 24 divide 2 यानी आप कहते हैं 24 upon 2. 2 1 जा 2 12 जा. So 12 divide 3. Here 24 divide 2 divide 3. Okay. So 12 is a 12 divide 3 is equal to 4. But here it is not possible. So this property is not satisfied for the whole number. So the whole number are associative अंडर एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओनली। तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में और एडिशन में ही ये सेटिस्फाइड होती है। नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी। इसमें सिर्फ एक ही आता है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 + 9 इट इज एडिशन और मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6, तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ होल नंबर। तो 5 + 9 इज इक्वल टू 14 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 इज इक्वल टू 84। नाउ हाउ वी distribute here? 5 multiplied by 6 plus 9 multiplied by 6. These two whole numbers को हम क्या करेंगे? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे इसके साथ, 6 के साथ। तो पहले 5 multiplied by 6 एक ग्रुप बना, एंड देन प्लस 9 multiplied by 6 सेकेंड ग्रुप बना। 5 × 6 = 30, 9 × 6 = 54, आंसर इज 84। So this property is satisfied. So distributive of multiplication over addition is satisfied for the of a whole number. Okay student, now we learn identity for addition and multiplication. Now look here, 0 has a special role in addition. For example, 91 + 0 is equal to 91. 0 + 55 is equal to 55. So we can say that 0 is added in a whole number or whole number added in 0. The sum is always equal to the same whole number. कोई भी whole number में हम 0 को ऐड करते हैं तो हमें वही नंबर सेम मिलता है। So 0 is called an identity for addition of whole number. That is, 0 is an additive identity for whole number. Now here 1 also plays a special role. So 1 is also called a special number of whole number. Now look some example here. So 1 plays a special role in multiplication के example देखो। 55 multiplied by 1 is equal to 55. 1020 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1020. 1 multiplied by 25 is equal to 25. 1 multiplied by 900 is equal to 900. So we observe that if a whole number is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied by a whole number, then the product is the whole number itself. So 1 is the identity for multiplication of whole number. 1 is also be a special number for whole number. ये हम आगे भी लर्न कर चुके हैं. So 0 has a special role in multiplication. If any whole number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. कोई भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो प्रोडक्ट इसका ऑलवेज हमें क्या मिलता है? 0. सो 0 हैज़ अ स्पेशल रोल इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो हमने क्या सीखा? तो 1 इज द आइडेंटिटी फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ होल नंबर एंड 0 इज एन एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी ऑफ होल नंबर.